Hello, my name is Matt, and my wife and I live with our 2 kids here in State College, but we're not originally from this area, so we wanted to get away from the busy 9 to 5 and check out the beauty of Center County during the fall foliage.
With a wedding anniversary coming up, we invited the grandparents over to watch the kids and escaped to Sproul State Forest. On Airbnb, we checked out a few of Bobby Maguire's properties. There's a barn dominium, a canoe cabin, properties that are all beautifully furnished, perfectly located along Sproul State Forest and its unbelievable natural resources. We settled on a property called the HiHo space, which definitely welcomed us with hospitality up in the mountains. It's about a 15 to 20 minute drive north of Lock Haven. Some of the properties are even outfitted to take on more guests in a camping situation with lots prepped with RV, electrical outlets, and spigots. This multi-use space easily could host a large wedding, but for us, it hosted a wedding anniversary. My wife especially appreciates the fine art and regionally accurate decor and furnishings. The property situated perfectly within a region with so many options for hiking, fishing, hunting, or just finding your spot in nature. This property also offers some off-road adventure. We took the off-road vehicle into a back trail, scaring some turkeys on our way. If you are looking to indulge in this experience or a similar one of Bobby Maguire's properties, check out his Airbnb listings, connect with Airbnb host Dylan, and take my word for it, it is worth the price of admission.